Hello my friends, welcome to medical science class. As a student of medical science, I wanted to take flavor all branch. As a student of medical science, I wanted to take flavor every branch of medical science. Now smoking is a bad habit, although I am a Chinese smoker. Also my addiction history is still now, as per MSC, representative of MSC.MSC007 version, equal more or less 25 times, maybe, random based not addiction is not good for health, but without addiction party is not enjoyable. That is the reason those are doctor, engineer, who gadget, they take control addiction. Chart an amount, that is what amount is good for health by your capability, not beyond your capability. Now I am Chinese smoker, what about my lungs? Lung condition, as a doctor checker. Before 16 years, I not take a Dr. Momo Shuchuri, not a single puff of cigarette. But if you nicotine have more side effect, but less good effect. One of the good effects is brain stimulus. Now my friend plus supporter, I am also creation. Try to, that is the improvement by smoking as a same smoker. That is bad habit, and creator have no bad habit. A simple creation of the Allah. That is the proof that I am a simple creation of one and only creator Allah. As a Muslim, I say one and only creator Allah. And I am representative of Dr. Momo Shuchudri, MSC007 version Dr. Now, by smoking, can I make any creation? Utilize atom? No. That is enough to prove that I am creation. As a nucleotide codon of MSC or codon or thinking or extra thinking. MSC also creation. Proof. That for that reason I take the smoking. I take. I said, thou said cool. Now I waste my sound energy. Nothing else. No creation. No make made. How create? Only creator can do that. And creator real sound can do that. Not only real sound but also real energy. No. And creator real energy go to the all dimension. That is creator one of the base virtue. What is the relation between in medical science? In the medical science is the branch of science described education like Homo sapiens, scientific name, and a normal human or mankind. But I am also creation, so MSC Homo sapiens, so look like Homo sapiens. That is the reason I am interested about Homo sapiens, but not gayism, lesbianism. What Allah say by Converse ought not to do, then what to do. No better do good by your capability, not beyond your capability. Now, again I type or make made a circle. Now circle okay. By the help of creator. Practice makes creation perfect. That is the proven creation creativity. Creation can make other creation. For example, smoky, utilize smoky and try to make made a circle by smoky. Okay. What about heart? Not okay. That is also proof that I have also creation. Now my friend is supporter. Now medical science class, not science class. But there is a relation between medical science and science. Branch of science, medical science is the branch of science. Describe elaborated about creation like human. Why am I interested that I am also look like human? That is the reason. Now, my friends and friends about evolutionary, say to human come from somebody say atom, other sapiens like atom. But still now scientists can make atom statue by soil, metal, semi-metal, non-metal. But not alive them. Not alive them. And try to alive them, give the oxygen, lung, organ, heart, everything okay. masses, okay, and give the electricity, need electricity, just AI technology and robot. Bas. That is also creativity. That is creation, creativity, not creator creativity. That is create, make, made, not create. Real creator or real creating remaining one and only creator, real everything. And medical science class, um, medical science class, what is the difference between human and sketches of my statue? Okay, can for seeing camera fit, for hearing equipment fit, for oxygen needing there is a lung fit, for or other organ fit, and look like do accident and take fuel, electricity or other fuel, outer case, atomic outer case, inner case energy, and go to that. Go everywhere. Now, what is the difference? The absence of life, absence of cell, and that cell have mitochondria and cellular component, nucleus, chromosome. No. Now that is the provement human not come from the atom. Now animal cell. See the animal cell. Animal difference, human not come from the animal. Now see the tree cell. Human cannot come from the T cell. What is the new nucleus, chromosome or chromatin, condense chromosome, expand or cord-like structure, chromatin gene, DNA, in human nucleotide, human codon, human thinking. In plant dot, human dot or human nucleotide, DNA nucleotide. Okay, fine. And for experiment, you see the human nucleotide and human DNA nucleotide difference from the atom. Human nucleotide contain electron, proton, neutron, and virus, bacteria nucleotide. What is the difference between human nucleotide and difference between human DNA? No need to human. Go to the virus, bacterial DNA. Virus, no need to virus, bacterial DNA. See their cell. There. What side of cell they? There. Prokaryotic. Then prokaryotic cell, human eukaryotic come. The eukaryotic cell like now tree, human coming tree. For experimental purpose, we give to human 100 years a tree from tree human come. How much time is I give to science? No, not come. Everybody understand? Now eukaryotic cell like tree not come. How prokaryotic cell like virus bacteria come? How atom come? But from human come from human sperm and ovum. For that reason, we go to the take from the father sperm and mother ovum, a soulmate, lavology, not sexology. Already sexology come, that call you say bastard. I not say that is not his fault, his fault. That is father mother fault. Not believe them. Okay, fine. Now father mother sperm go to the artificial cell culture media. Now artificial nutrition, artificial fluid, artificial nutrition, everything given environment, proper environment of uterus. Now you found the test tube baby. That is so many occur. That is the proof. Now without sperm ovum, human can scientist can do that? No. That is the reason human are creation. If human are creation, human lead the world, universe, creator house creation by. Any creation can create human cell. Really created a human cell. Not only a human cell, but also human DNA, human nucleotide. No. In universe, multiverse, creator house creation by, all are creation proof by medical science. Fine. Now, how much patient? By one color. Yellow Shafi, yellow Mafi, yellow Kafi. Anar Abdul Mamushir Shafi, Mafi, Kafi. The way vector supporter is size field. Every bus of size field, you understand creator is one and only. As a MSc, I am have cell, like clone cell, cellular component, DNA, codon thinking, codon and dot, extra thinking codon, extra smart thinking codon, or mushroom. In case of creator, as a creation I can do that. If I can do that, creator have infinity words. That depend on creator wish. After at the end of the day, also look like MSc. When all creation raw material come in with me, MSc, MSc, Momo Shwechikar. Why remain life cells, cellular component, DNA, codon thinking, codon, hold thinking, or extra thinking. It is MSC.MSC007 version. As per I know, Allah knows best, not only best, but also everything. Security, privacy purpose, not acceptable. Now, my favorite piece of you understand. I will say this book. This book is a very bad idea. Don't worry. And there is the proof that I am also Christian, a simple creation of Allahu. And my religion is Islam. As a Muslim, I cordially accept that. First soundly, then mindly, then brainly try to understand that. Allah knows best, not only best, but also everything. My messenger is Muhammad. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. After my death, that is the document evidence. And you are the witness, my friend and supporter. And in case of witness, one and only Creator is Allah.